Hi everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the today's session, I'm going to share you how to prepare technical round interview as well as a HR interview for freshers who are recently applying for various MNC companies and who are going to apply for various companies. This video is very helpful. So I'm going to explain the full details of the off-campus interview process. It might be TCS interview or Wipro or Deloitte, Infosys, Accenture. The entry process might be slight difference from company to company, but the way of asking a technical round entry questions as well as HR round entry questions. So maximum 90% of the software companies used to ask these entry questions in any software company for freshers. So watch till the end of video, then you must aware of what is the exact entry process for off-campus entry process for any company. At the same time, what type of technical round entry questions may ask and what type of HR round entry questions may ask. So I am going to give full clarity who are already applied for off-campus interviews and who are going to apply for off-campus interviews. This video is definitely helpful. Okay, so if you are visited our YouTube channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So I used to upload great content video every day. So without wasting our time, let's start. What is the exact entry process for off-campus interviews? So recently, we have seen all MNC companies are hiring the freshers, so who are pass out 2020, 21 and 22 candidates. So the candidates have confused what type of entry process is there, what kind of entry process they are conducting, type of technical entry questions I am going to face, and what type of HR entry questions I have to prepare. So these type of questions may arise as a fresher. So see friends, in any MNC companies for freshers, there are 4 rounds are there or 3 rounds. It depends on the company. So maximum 3 rounds of interviews are there. The first round is it must be a online test. You may have another doubt. Online test means what type of questions may ask, what type of questions I have, and what type of questions I have to prepare. So I will tell you few things, guys. The first one is reasoning ability and logical ability questions and numerical ability questions and programming logic entry questions and coding entry questions. The online test exam pattern type of questions may be different from company to company. So all software companies will conduct online test from these entry questions only. You have to prepare verbal ability, reasoning ability, okay, and numerical ability and programming logic and coding questions as well. Once you cleared online test, so they schedule the entry for technical round. You might have another doubt of what type of technical questions I have to prepare. I'm going to tell you a few of the common asked technical entry questions, and these technical entry questions also different from company to company and based on the entry panel. Okay, the first question is, what do you know about object oriented programming principles? So if you have any idea, please answer them. The entry panel might be asked this question. So he wants to know some object-oriented program related concepts like abstraction, inheritance, fall marks, and these type of questions. The next question is, what is garbage collector? The next question may ask what is difference between C++ and Java, or C and what is the difference between C and Python. Okay, he may ask some basic related entry question as well. Want to know whether you are having clarity on different programming language or not. Okay, and the next question is, what is the difference between DDL, DML and DCL commands from SQL concept. And the entry panel may also test your skills on latest technologies as well, like cloud computing and big data related technologies and machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence entry questions also might be chance are there, because he wants to know whether you are upgraded candidate or not, whether you are following the technology trends or not. You might ask like, what is cloud computing? How many types of cloud computing services are there in the IT market? Okay, and also he might ask, what is a machine learning? What is the difference between machine learning and deep learning and artificial intelligence? Okay, and what do you know about big data technologies? What are the characteristics of big data technologies as well? And also he might cover from Java concept or C++ concept or whatever you are comfortable programming language. He used to ask your comfortable programming language. Suppose if you are very comfortable Java programming language, then he used to ask different questions from Java concept as well, like what is a string, what is a string builder, okay, what are the collections available, what is an array list, what is an array, okay, and also you might ask what is an interface, what is a command line argument, okay, and how we can create the object, what is a recursive function, can you write any example using a recursive method. He might ask different questions, and so there might be chance are there to check your coding skills as well. uh, he might give some task like can you write the logic for a pyramid pattern program, okay, or can you write a program to reverse a string without using inbuilt functions, okay. They might ask, they might check your coding skills as well during the technical interview. He used to check the latest trending technology as well, like a blockchain. So have you any idea about a blockchain technology? What is a cryptography? What is cryptocurrency? So they might ask different questions. So if you know, if you have an idea, you can say answer. Otherwise you directly can say so if you give an opportunity, I'm willing to learn the latest technology, so you can say answer like this. Whatever you know answers, you can say confidently. Technical round, these type of entry questions might be chance are there to ask. Once cleared the technical round, then what is the further round? You might have doubt. So sometimes you might have next round also, like a managerial round, and some companies they may conduct the HR round. For HR round, you have to prepare like the first entry question, like tell me about yourself entry question, and can you tell me about your family. The next question, like do you have any backlogs, okay, and the next question is how did you prepare for this interview? Anyone guide to you to prepare for this interview? They might ask this question as well. And the next question they may ask, like are you willing to relocate, and are you willing to work in night shifts? And the next question may ask like do you have any plan for higher studies? And they may ask like tell me something which you are not mentioned in your resume. So they may ask different type of, so they may ask these type of entry questions in the HR round. And also one more questions I forget, how much salary you are expecting, okay, and how soon you can join if I hire you. So these type of entry questions you may face in HR round, okay. So once you clear HR round also, so you can expect offer letter. So you can expect offer letter within a week or within a month, depends on the company's policies and company's emergency and company's requirement policies. Okay, I hope everyone cleared how to prepare off-campus interviews, and after how to prepare off-campus interviews after applying for jobs, how to prepare technical round interview and HR round interview to crack the off-campus interviews. So if you feel if you really like this video, please hit the like button, and also don't forget to share or to forward your friends as well, because they might also apply for off-campus interviews and they might confuse how to prepare the technical interview and HR round interviews. Okay, so please share to your friends as well. Okay, so we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.